Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edotafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you. Yes, so my people, this is not ETA Edotafia Amibo YouTube channel. How not day? I hope so not they okay, everything they okay, everybody they okay. If not, so make we give thanks and praises to God Almighty. Yes, I know say this time of season, at the time we say we today celebrate, we say we today happy, but somehow if we have to face reality, we still know say some people still there somewhere we say they're not too happy. Maybe they struggle, they struggle for one thing or the other. Maybe they struggle through one condition or situation or the other. Maybe pray maybe bag or go touch all of them really from the bottom of our hearts, because this now the year don't come to an end. I don't come close to an end, you know. So we just pray everybody waiting, they know fee achieve this year finish, maybe they achieve on the next year. And if there's anybody at all we say they suffer maybe health issues or monetary issues or maybe financial issues or any maybe not paper issue, anything at all we say anybody that struggle with or the struggle for we say they never see, maybe we pray Baba God by early next year may accomplish for all of them. And so you just be my people. This now that's not them be this series we say we do this now part 23. Actually this not the last part we say we want to do before Christmas comes. So we want to use this minute to really wish everybody Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Now so it be my people. So in any way we should make a not talk too much. Make we just join all these tremendous people, all these if I not just thank them enough. And so I still thank myself, and so I thank my audience, thank my followers, thank my subscribers, thank my brothers, sisters, my brethren, my lovers, my fans, my everything, every one of them. We say they hear the sound of my voice. If you don't want to say no, even subscribe, everybody. I just thank all of them, and I wish all of them from the bottom of my heart a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. So yeah, you don't do. In fact, make an talk too much. So make we just join them now. Make we all of us just start to enjoy this night. It's because I did here to I want listening, I want follow and listening as well. And so just be so my people as well they join them in. But God continue to bless you now with you.
Wa celebrate. Ogbe magbaro. Celebrate e o. Ogbe ma we dia o. Celebrate e o. Ogbe ma we dia o.
Hello, Johnny. Pick. Hello.
Hello, come me. Hello, come me.
Come, baby, I hear.
Baby,
Call. Me la program in me resort and water ministry the YouTube. So he me tamia when the spirit ya mo konwe. Atiku we a spirit odoma konwe bi sigbe agia. Tamagun ya tamiyo.
Monomo.
Ah baba.
Wato.
La baba. Testimony.
Okay.
You want testimony?
Okay. Oh, I see. You ain't going there.
A testimony, Mure. But that's one like who give. He's not there. We are not there. You was by bear, my kunu, my baby, by no one will back at Chinawa. If when I call your many Lumo, that's for me. I'm back as well. Panic and web, Baba.
When I when they walk and when I'm well Sophia, where shall I show you red? Where's that way? Where's Tawaka Gumego? He be a car. Hell! Otameo! Otameo, siesta. Otameo, Christmas card. One day. Était not sûr. What take a clemency. Okay, now we're not going to talk about where you're going. But one day, who won? And I went, when I'm up and you go like a teacher. Yeah, me teach you on way. That's why in your power will go. Then any hour will get my work or what on women to disrespect of the eye. Oh, you know when I'm about a platana him, I teach you on one walk here.
Before okay, say the call, you go na come. Orita mama, when you get your phone, we are mako come say o. On my answer, then we go.
We don't collect the week. She don't born now. How go dey problem. For you to encourage her or for you to encourage him, the best many people can do is to be mocking.
I am so proud of myself. Orun pala ti am be bejona. O wi yen bege panti me. E public na outside brass. Wan e wu jone. Igu mulane. Unwebe na riako emeje. Ha de social media do tie. Sebe no je. E kena lane an ebe no je. Icha. Do tie ero. When they speak basse. Orun paro. O wi yen lo bi ekime. You know ze. Aga wa.
Eh baba fa.
Very good.
Order for me 2 rank ni wa bere ire nena o yere ni ya gba sina 2 rank wa be una ije oga eri kane tuni eri la wa ya gba le kane tuni o because pia so do no gele gba mo ni ne ki aye igbo alu e o pia no gba alu e agi gba lo bege na o gba ne gba alu e because wa le lo pia no gba alu e u ke wo wodo wale lo piano gwalo uke mo godo be ne suzi geda abilile kiano ro wa o abi social media sote olele mi ame iviero bano no wa nyuwe live o wa finish ya
oye gbuwe karia
de nu to e ba we na egbe o ma gbon ni yan ni na o wa ni na sun wo ene we ro wa ni
never go no lawe gbe debi nu leyi ike abo ho nu we lewu ko ni no ma ga o si o ta lo yo we gbe agladisi ho no kaka ho izagodo ne ho bo ga gwa debi no si ologan wa yo we gbe agladisi Devi no logo when I'm me like then I can see the foundation ya who say go zuo no me gradisi wa me bagbo gladisi what do you see for life they say your video come for me what did they make you the zuzu what's the meme you egbe gladisi what's the meme you egbe when you salokwa okay I not reach for you to answer ever since Abi I too small for you to answer. Abi, as you take talking for your that your bekele head, maybe say your belly can cover your toto. You know the share? You get nyash, you sabi cook abi. What about your belly unko? Eka when no ya gwe ya muhu when ya hado enya gwalo we gbu when me nya we gwalo we gbu when ya gbe kan. What did your boy that they find? Now the your belly will be say he can't go put he can't even cover your toto. Now that one I person won't go find for your body. Gladys way they tell you yama di wa mi bagbon yi. Debi nu mi bagbon no here na dekun we wa mi bagbon yi. You say I no reach for you to answer. Abi, then you can't answer me. When you can't see and say the God when they serve it too heavy, too big. Now you can't answer. Thank God say you can't answer me now. Gladys, you say why but they thank God. Gladys, you must say you judge work, but mama make testimony. Me, I see my own Gladys. I survived her without injury, without my family having injury, without even another people have injury. Gladys, may you see your own, may you survive, may you call right your for Facebook. You see your own. If I born now, we are Gladys here. If I born soon, we are Gladys. You're back one man. Oh, Salaba, what's the thing I want to the only opia, no second year na tia women nationality. Hello, somebody. But where the same class, yeah, think I did the vacation. I say, yeah, come away with the dinner gay. It's a dinner gay. It's a dinner enjoyment. It's a dinner swing.
Don't manage the social media. Donc we are not managing the banner of yes, no here where is Sarah. No, if your boy you la law when no be a like one kita and you can't do more like that. Oh, Mamma, where am we la me where? I got more well like me bear or a Sarah who walk where I have one. And then we want live who man back at where you live. Who walk for the aya when he measure what ever way. And when whether they don't go all of a women, no whether don't go all of women. Who pop on ya boy where you are honey?
O we ravi jouer je be ya gwa le ni. O pokpo ni ya je be ya va yera hu igbe yera hu. Era ne jombulo saseni. No loria de no fia wo veni jouer fia wo. Emi dana is wo I'm very sure.
If you give me this information, you day Europe. As they give me the information, they give you 200 euro. You understand me? So 200 euro I will send and give you. If you know the 200 euro too small, I feel make a 300 euro. I know the joke. I feel make a 300 euro. You they get. Then if you know say you did Nigeria 150,000 naira. If they let you speak,
yeah, wa saga. Wa saga. Gado saga. Nusagoa. No, they hear your mouth. No, they hear your name. Gladys, oh, boy. Gladys, oh, boy. Gladys. I don't call you now. If me you for come do live video.
Do when anybody re no share we they koki go ni we ya mure. Wa mure ma here make bobo no have celebrate runda. If ye do na ma mo bogbe ni ma so te ye do ni ye do titi. Ni wa la go down o die do. Obiera bi se ma ya fe.
Okay. Did they hear you?
Hello, good morning everyone. I just take my breakfast, say me I people talk one thing when we say they bother me. If you not see any, if you not love Vita, if you not see any video what anybody did, so now they say now to her. You should not know what, not know who they watch anybody. We say I did against her because I don't watch anybody. That's why I barely see video. They say they sort. I know they like her. If you like somebody, if you love somebody, we are there for the swear for the person or wait for the hate the person. Just they pass by. What they say the video to her for me is not called for because I don't just like it. Even this is the woman can do now. The year and then I will get that kind of call because the way a lot of brief Bible text say anything when Monica
Iga mwemo majorione na kawe jeso wana emo e forward yo me iwie soto even si party the ya go back especially on na azo me popo because ma gu egun ogo me fe ko ukia I ma se yo we aga do bo we tu we do wa pe abe me when me the audacity no ya kawe okwo no ge wo godo ama egu ma ba pe abe me we do no da fe me go woji a we do da fe me gwa o la ke ni mi aganya even in Iguana or Hoyri and Egbe. Yes. Oh, when I get near Lotene, Una, where you be one Yokonic Bewe. Udi Yokonic Bue. Or Goniac Boya Fair, Ariogona. I have any guy when you ekpa so. He may not buy a patamega ladia. Mama, bros a padomo domo, any many I say. Any many I say, walk him a chair where. I back my getting of you. Oh, look what near Cacolene. Near Great Bimway. Oku no mweje na emi very okake no wa o no mweje oku oba no gbera 50 years o mo no se no bie o wa ke la video ni an insult me but me na do we mi odion senye o ro bi me nwa be ye no ku oba yin ma we mi odion ina agwo egun o wa deserve e ye to bi yen Dere my carioto, dere in your tonena. On ewe e matagele no igele pukbijoregbe. Igele show ilogijoregbe. Nike logijo jo me robie me yanade. Okeke na weri oto, okeke nu reason kakabo. Okeke nu tie manu me do. Ugwijore na gunu ege de mi ni tama ge mi ni we, ge mi ni agba okan. O me egu me gwan one day be na. She's 3 days na. O wa robie me Facebook. E pa moria be abijororia be. Temata because I mean mozu oni ni ya frustrating ni re campi ya no uro be no uro no iya temata mawe ti ya ni wan be do tamiya gwezo na ma
I tell you na there I felt day before as you say I post your mama old picture I dey give you my real details now go there barefoot if you reach normal you junction tell them say they go Eke ask of Madam Greenhouse opposite there. Just go there, tell them say you dey look for Enogi mama. Just say Enogi mama or Osadiaye mama. I mean they give you information. So not all those ones that they give you, those ones are fash. All those ones are, if you will come from another tribe, if you feel for my hand for those states, I'll know. I don't go to live video again.
Oh God, they make it the center.
It's who me ya me deve here. It's an equilibrium, but it's second hand. You tolerate me. It premises him. No. Even woman quick say get as it be. Even you will be say your belly you can go 4 put. Any ya go where? Oh where? Any ya go? Wa sheke nyashi. Umagwa no I jege do no ga tirani mu ne ho ala ani. O. Wa we gbe she party jo oni we gbegu e ya wa zuzu. You dey zuzu for them. You want contact to me with your smelly zuzu. Uzuzu wani. Umagwale gendo no ya temu nu we drossi ne ho alara wa go ba no azuzu. Wa go rosemary guan. Wa go we rosemary saloba no ga wa teme rosemary bani. Ya ham we rosemary go to weto. Oto rosemary ane gbe ku we ni me bali you we ni igwa le no sia be ni ku ane. Ureba ni. Ureba. Ne kuemu. Eko we ya zuzu. Uye bae. Ujeri o keke bae. Uje bae. Coronavirus na very true. Coronavirus na true. They drink something. Me na be a pity bene. Me ke we no mama no. So ba pa yi be no ya pe zuzu ni ye. Ya zuzu va ni eko no to. Mi erosmeri ave gbe kugwe di me igwale ti ya o ahon mi wo hi mo hi ti we Facebook na igwalo ma ri go no ya gun me de ni ya o ahon we me bi ti ni go post imam na wa posting ave mi ni wa mete here o ogugwe wara we ba no ma mete ya go ba ni wa ya gu wa ya gbegbe o me ni kere na egbe ni eri no ori oko gbelegbe de se ori ogbelese na me bi o kwa mi wa egbe ni I gwere mi okpo ma ve gbugwani ugwa ahin otono gberi ikoka oga masegbe no kere owo kan ovi otobo ogun odo gbu ejera visual ogun agbu ogbera gbiju ogbe mi nu me ya fe ogun oba oga gbu onu na ogun ewo oga gbu onu na di mofi ununu ya meme ogun odo gbu ogun okin agbu ogun okin agbu ebo panya oga gbu bokpanya oga gbu di mofi ogidi ani nyason oga mewo hu wo ade sebulu kele wo ade fiamu wo ade salon woto wo ade vaiwa ememe aja enwe ogun ogbera gbiju owo kan ovi otobo ogun oga gbu o ya gbu esegbe nu kere uzon egbe omeme nu we kere uzon na ogun o ya gbelu wahia wa degije kevenu dege na degije keneke egui ivie vana degije ke wa gbe o egbenu na ri okwo na nuguji nu ege no himuro vi oga gbo ohun unwe bobisu oga to gbo unwe ri mage ihan oga yan ogo me ge chifadu oga to gbo uga fianwu uga lowo han ederi ori ege no sojona no tadi mofi eni nwa son oga mi ewo hu unwo ma begele no muro vie di mofi unwe ka mo ba ya fe nwe gwa emi ya fe no giroto no edoni nugu emuro vie here oga mi.
The only thing I do to people not tiebo no lay courses and all those things, I only return their courses back to them in the way that I know. Nya ya return it to them. Idi ya return it to yan. Igwe yan gaibo, I'm not a part of it. Not to talk of it, do I watch having nonsensical attention sinking video attitude. I don't watch it. Ima watch it. So mama, ilakota pa no everywhere. We mwe bosu mana mwe Bible dia no do ya tiebo. Or no do ya neru, no do ya we no believe jije bi no gbara gbare bi live video. That was a very good and brilliant one. Wa mwe Bible dia no do ya tiebo yo ge ave iri wala be na be no vunto. So we beg a point to you have a very big point. Very, very big point. Any you suppose na mwe Bible dia do ya vembo ya tiebo je. Ebo as she's attention. And gumewe gbe yo no na ya Sunday morning to people who are seeking, especially to this woman who is in the UK, who is seeking my attention with hand and leg and everything. If you not see any nage when it's we say me ho, it's why it be me. You understand? If you not see any nage way, most of the time in Isaiah way, he beg away where attention will seek. When he and one way Bible la ya tiebo we agu gwana o. He beg away attention where will seek. Because my people say ofen as if you turn on him you be attention. Oh we igwa lo here. And they can when I read begega discuss me rita. At least I'm very happy and I'm super comfortable that we take women we na very very. Dem yo be ni gwalo ni we no saluba women no ma women. O take women na very very. Ama mo mata me yoto umi view. Ama mo mata me yoto umi ma no da me ho we. It's a big pride to me and it's a big this thing to me it's a big achievement. Do my achievements in the social media. Achievements, you know. What else? I'm just happy. And I see that all of them will be saying, Erita respond to that video, Erita respond to that video, Erita respond to that video. A video only S7 do vaga.
As in my background, you understand? I do know. Oh God. I was very happy. There will be a light. And hello, Madam Koyo Opota. Very sorry, let me just inform you something. Nejina is surprising thing to you. On a very good day, I confess who I could be. Okay? You are informed what you done in case you call out at any time. Just speak it. Okay? That's it.
On a critical on our way. Zebokbia, no enegbi. Or a way, it's a cena. Or the quality. Or having a scheme, what? Esther, a product in a when you go no heavy perfumery. Yard zen will go. Esther, umay go raw. I bet Sakarana zitu any. Umay go or you on a yard lolek buheni. Ujalo, so that I be only a zenet any.
Near wow, or Jawa appreciate now. Yama call you where you were in our western. I can hear the get a couple face to face. Here the get.
Nah, nene kenigi wa yere Nigeria be wo gba te we bu.
Da yere Nigeria na to us me de be de we bu no dey. Me be o ma na me be o de TC. The TC o ma na me be o me ti ade TC o wi eri wa yen gide.
Ijo isopo na wa ri nya ton yo yere no ti o wa.
Isopo no se me na ta ma se we aijo for where I tell I to my me I'll give so one our man we in Nigeria.
When never yakawa will never jemmy. I will is okay, Ladia. My husband, my people, the day we are married, this my husband. Yeah. Even though we are my husband, Kenny, my husband, ni. Where my husband? We are the opposite. We have a classmate, we're students. Yani kakalo yo. Compliment of the season, my darling sister. Imani kaya hiyo. Then we na wa beje beta we to bueje beta we na gbeko. Oh gbesa. If you are deju gwe ye la dion you no friend ye kogmo. Azua. If you paro no guau. Ai oto igele kaka na amugwe. Oga ta oto igele aseri. O me ima oni sulu je mama ni no rejuke. O moto igele ju moto igele. Oh, when I'm moving, oh, we to boy adjust, oh, we to boy coin, oh, ye way. I will be adjusted. We are
God can turn things around. God said, I will prepare a table I will prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemy. This is the kind of the table I want to make God prepare in the presence of the enemy. He said, my enemy shall live long and see what I will become. That is what God do for Jennifer Collins' life. God surprised enemy. As all of Nate mokan, as all of Nate laughing. Na the road work where she could do. Na make her. He don't use the whoop. Te do juju. He don't use the whoop. Te do this one. Now we don't go collect the whoop now from the native daughter. Sister market.
Na je meme joue ni joue fio boy you eri la lo. Hein? Ni joue ho hu avak mo ve no ho hu ana. Ni jouer même la imi. Nous avons joué di mofi que Denis sinon tuwe. Ou wa hi avec ben wekere na egbe no ho hua. Egbe na gwa koke mo egbe no ho hua. Egba meme nu wa kere na. U wa hi ameme hu. E meme aja ngwa. Ikoka oga masegbe nu wekere. E Denis yoga hin to no gbebi. When oba ga fi nya gbegere yen rona. E meme yen aja latian office ni no yeni. One, a bon wagi a mugi family na or can agbelu wahia moto.
eken wake pa ken warame no ve family na no mi hiro e yobo wa ya gbewu ikoka oga ma segbe nu kere de mofi wa gbe o wa gbe omo gbe igo uhun dan ogin oba e di mofi gbowe yi semila wa hohoa idiot wa hohoa a lunatic o meme e meme ogbuwe e meme ogbegbe nu kere e meme ogbera gbijuwe no gi yera gbon win eva wa hohoa wa ju hu ebie ho yin e di mofi nu ju hu ebie ho yin va gbon owo kan no vi otobo wa ju hu egba banere.
That is my lady Monica.
God Zadzi, when you want to see where you're there.
Oh! Esther Waguna. Oh.
Because right now the feelings the that's the call. Even you want to see where God Zadzi. That's it. They are finishing it. They have said the private number make go no one.
Oh.
So I will have no more second a princess when
Yo.
Oh man, I later that the send the private number. Very normal that is because the feeling is very deep.
Okay, that's no problem, Wesley. I really appreciate life. I'm so grateful, Wesley. Thank you so much. Wow. So nice, like the feeling is good.
This girl, they always they look for my trouble. Whether a girl or lady or mama or madam, I don't know what I want to call her. They always they look for my trouble. They always look for my trouble. Oh my God, can't anyway. Sama get what say. You get with it because he was a body anyway. Because he had low said on here. Utame me negboy. Umayeme. Jane wa iya wa ya me na giga ewe mi epo wo so. Ono said na wo go making a. Ye gbere yo bio make anybody at all. I just they do my own they go. Good evening, my darling. Long time. I just demand my own they go because I they like to mind my business. Una not say there is some people where you to say so person you do one na. Imate te oni gwe kwa ye no come out no come. She be one ka person ye what they by no bad me ma oni me de swedi e live video better agija wu o we can no win ye do. Inya no gbukoko or ye seba. E we no ma win ye wu. Iya do si wo well at. Iya call social media na awe ni. E presaria re na re very na fia kia. E party re na re na fia kia. E tati re na fia kia. Wa we do boy mo where yo. Because when I do again, one hour now, Bobo, when I do same year, very only where I go and feel we are pa, eh, wrong. Me man and I be a good guy, so we life it to them no rugby bay, or why I see no one bay. In my way, no, not see very only. That people, this thing what she do, when I see, I say we have a mama de live video just now. I just the comfort what we are committing for live video. I beg, make I play the video where she do, wait, bring this problem. So I never caught this girl. That's what she still doing on that day. Esther, ni a ugwe serio. Oma no ye bebo ki oma O we mo gwa le settlement ona ye bebori. Esther, on the last time, ya we gbe do repeat we public in outside. Esther, ugajo mumo na push me. If you no say na gwa na gbe balo ihin. Ono say na wa onye wa agege egbe balo I on tepa person. How to avoid trouble. Stay away from public. Stay away from friends. Always try to mind your business. So that no one get go work cause someone like beta and we ho. As someone a big baby me. Iya mwe bogbu. Uma ene. You got say very quick. Me get touch ebo me car.
Why do you make you not live stay with Oyibo to your old age? Why do you leave Oyibo? Eh, Rose, why do you make you leave Oyibo? You leave Oyibo, you marry a black man. You can't get a black and white children too. Eh? Why you not stay with Oyibo? And moreover, you say now your Oyibo go marry you for Nigeria, carry come whether na Spain or be na France. Oyibo will marry you from Nigeria, come Europe. What it make you leave and come go no we go to do a show? Eh? What it come make you? If now Oyibo marry you from Nigeria, come Europe, for you to go no we go to do a show, even you they commit adultery. Yes, even you they commit adultery. You see the throw stone for glass house when you know say you self there for inside glass house. Can you imagine? If you because you say in your video say now Oyibo go marry you from Nigeria, come. How come you leave Oyibo, you go Spain, go also? You get his Spain document. You go, they deport you. You come back. You go Norway. You go hustle. You come recite on in France. What do you do? Waka waka up and down. Married woman and born again. What are you walking up and down for? A born again should stay in one place. Not be okay like woman now where we say you don't work out all the whole world. All the whole eke don't enter Ikpeku finish. You go come born again. You come they condemn people. Come they condemn young girl. Ashawo. Where you know where you they come from? Where you know the road where you come from? Say now the same thing you do before God call you. If God even call you before you repent, you not come and be calling young girl Ashawo. When you know say you self now Ashawo you do fair do.
Okobo arema no mo bi egbe. Ugu labani no mweri asiyan bo. Mweri a ubo ja laba ogbeti. Wo pa ami o pa no me ro vie. Unene a wa ya me kiswe no wa ti o gbaja lori 50 euro give Nigeria no ya give abu fiawu. U defa gwa. Iripa gwa esa. Aseni ju o gbo a. Ogun oba gbo a fiawu. O ka me kan we a. Be se bu gbe Ijerewe ena gba egbe no but the last person no matter can no laja be live video we agbagbon tai we no kun zoom ya se pin awe wo atai de mi on pa no amere lati no lesson no any body the social media na error wa se page we analyze eva esa o ma mo re ma gbe ko we why we no re me picture ya re be page keke be Facebook we we have you begime esto maene esa mo tama we mo giewo hu dane me be mu sie yan tama we venu gba mi ogo eko uhia eje church e boga emi ni me ya go keke ake me ma kevin we fi emi ni we fi ma dey important ni me emi ni me fi o dey important say who care about what you feel who care after even that please one man na gbo ama wo ye wa yi kaba be please o wa ropa because ma me need ye we Imame mi nidi yewe. Any politika gewere. O mani onu funya wesa. Veni mana gu egwe ma we mo mana bi egbe me esta mo tama we na. Ija mu e pop we. I said it and I'm still repeating it again. Emi nu egwa awujo ja wejo. Ekwete.
Aduma dubadio. Asore. You no see now. Oh, ma we boy. I sorry. Do not see now. Aduma dubadio. I sorry. You no see now. Oh, ma we boy. I sorry.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or in like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.